Keblei pi baro asha katup khubor jongi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san kilong. Sa nyausngi indang betengi ka jingkhang dam ha East Khasi Hills District. Pelait pait ba ya ka jingrai ka baai kerteng ha ketin Hindi au khai kasam. Lap ka KSU bahkan rei ki bar jalla ki basong di madan hasor Shillong but shong di ki atsad ha yodo. Ban ni haban mi ne yeng namar nimla ban pe ki khun ki kiti bekin yap ngan nong di madan. Tementang ni page ki Khubor ki bakhan banya. Menteri rang baka Jylla konrad ki sangma mentaka singi ula itu baka sarkar kamban se ban kandang betengi ka jingkhang dam ha East Khasi Hills District sa shitayaw watla kani ka district kala nang her ha ka jingdon uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Habakran ki nong thokot Khubor hadin jong ka jingelang jong ka kenhon ki menteri konrad sangma ula ongru banamar ka jinglong jingman haka imlang saalang kala nang biang kumta ka sarkar kala shime karai ban aila di ki jingpli ki dukan ki ba embu iki marbam hadu arpau na ka shispa Menteri rang ba ula itu baka sarkar kala aibor hiki DC haka bayade bat ka jingkhang dam haki district jongki ula ong baka shong haka jing start jongki lada an panlait no lane andang betengi ki jingkhang dam haki district jongki
because we still have not crossed or come down below our danger level. So therefore in the cabinet today we have decided that a lockdown, at least in East Khasi Hills, we have decided in terms of the district where it was most prevalent and the numbers are the highest today, that East Khasi Hills, the lockdown will continue. The districts in the other states, or other districts in the state also, the deputy commissioners will be given the power to decide on the lockdown. Most districts will continue with the lockdown, but the deputy commissioners will decide. But there is a rider to this. While continuing the lockdown, we also understand that people's livelihood are being affected a lot. Therefore, the cabinet has decided today that we will allow up to 20%. We will allow up to 20% of non-essential commodities to be open in different areas of the state. But that will be decided by the deputy commissioners.
Menteri rang ba ula itu baka sarkar kala aibor ki DC halor ka jing sha ki jing ya ki kali kamai. Ula ong baka shong haki ban aila ki jing ya ki kali hadu ka 9% tangba kata kalong empala de ka 8% na ka jing don jong ki kali kamai.
Will be allowed to permit commercial vehicles to work and ply depending again on the districts and depending again on the areas, again up to 20%, which means that the commercial vehicles, the numbers, depending on the area and depending on which district it is in, the deputy commissioners may decide 5% of the commercial vehicles can function. Some may decide 10%, some may decide 15%, but they cannot go beyond 20%. All depending on the positivity rate and the local conditions in terms of COVID that is there in the concerned district and the regions and the specific locations that we mentioned.
Menteri rang ba ulai thuru baka jing IT ka COVID kadang yai bha po ka Jylla bula ongru baha ka Jylla umpat don kanu ka jing shakta na ka jing aya ka tika.
Have clearly been protected and there has been no symptoms or no kind of adverse effects of the vaccination on anybody in the state till date. We are getting good response. We have now enough stocks. The government of India's policy has changed now from 45 plus to 18 plus to now a simple category of all 18 plus. So therefore, today this program started. We got a very good response. And as of now, till about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we had almost close to 8,000 shots that were given today in a single day. So if we expect this trend to double, triple in the next 2 days, we do expect large number of vaccinations to be done. And I encourage the people of the state, I encourage the people of Jylla especially, to please come forward and take this opportunity to take these vaccinations which are being given free by the government of India.
Menteri rang ba ka Meghalaya konrad ki sangma mentaka singi ulayo banya phliu jingmut bat ki he penya district bat kumjuru bat ki nong tre ka koi ka khia ha juwai banyo jing tip shapang ka jinglong jingman jong uknyang jingpang coronavirus. Habakran ki nong thokot Khubor ha Shillong konrad ki sangma ulaong bakalong ka bas ngau tunat ban tip bakadon ka jing ya tre lang ha padeng ki bor penya district bat ki nong tre ka koi ka khia. Hakabaya day bat kani Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ru ba ansa Penteri Kamno eka oxygen plan hajawai bat clear. Oleh turu baka sorkar kadon ka jingtmu ban bu sa ko eka hospital hajawai hakaba kandon hadu sanpho jingtia na ka banta kinong pang COVID. Henry ula ong ru ba anla ban pendon kam ya kani ka hospital ka basumari ki khanna ladami ka jingdon kam.
And the contact tracing is being done. And overall, there is a very aggressive movement. There's a lot of cooperation from the community also, where we are seeing that communities themselves are coming forward and doing necessary containment strategies in their own villages and in their own localities. So that is a very, very positive trend. And we must continue to do that in order to ensure that this particular virus does not spread any further. Apart from that, there are a large number of facilities that are being created throughout the districts and enough manpower, enough bed, infrastructure, all these arrangements are being made, and today we reviewed those situations also. In addition to that, the oxygen plants in both Jowai MCH and in Clariat Hospital, both are at a very advanced stage. We expect the plant in Jowai to be up and running in the next 2 to 3 days maximum. That means 48 to 72 hours. And in Clariat also, we expect the plant to be up in the next 10 to 15 days. So both these plants, these oxygen plants will come in, which will be a great blessing for the people of Jente Hills districts. Apart from that, we will also, we have decided today in the meeting that we will be putting up the prefab 50-bedded hospital in Jowai, and this will be also supported with enough infrastructure so that in any eventuality, this could also be used as a pediatric hospital or a hospital where ICU is available for children, because we don't know the nature of this virus, and we would like to be prepared in advance in the future situation that we may face. So this 50-bedded hospital will be similar to the ones that is coming out in Shillong and in Tura. And again, this the location all will be finalized within the next few days. But the decision to implement this has been taken.
U MLA ka pentorum kra constituency u ba AL hek hinin ka singi shipotarek jilio hajar arpwe ula ai snob ha ka power trailer shikin nong rap ka thain pentorba kum shibenta ban ya rapeki ka ba ya de bat ka rap karyang bat hakate ka jing sami ki tiki trailer la don lang ki rang ba shnong jong ka tika shnong bala ong ru ba ka ni ka di ka sien ka balai ha ba u ba AL hek ula ya rap ya kin nong rap ha ka tika thain. Haka kharway tarik mentau banaya jilio hajar arpwe u menteri ka tanak ka kot ka kya uba AL hek ula pelai pai ba ya ka jingrai ka ba ai ka teng haka ketian hindi au kai kasam ha police headquarters Shillong ya kan ka jingrai lashna nepok police department bat kan ka jingrai ka longkum shibenta ban ai men si mikin dong tre ka tanak ka kot ka kya na do ki nurse ki doctors ki pulit bat kiwe de kiwe don benta ban ya khun yu khnyang jingpang COVID-19 haka ka jingyalang ban pelai pai ya ka jingrai uba hek ula ong Baudap da jing so kya men siem na mar kumba ars pangot ki pulet ki bala yo COVID-19 but san ngot ki bala khlat no nau nu khnyang jing pang COVID. Ula kentu ye ki nong shong shnong ka jilla ban shim ye ka jing ket kle hala marwe khnang ban ya da na ka jing sapriang u khnyang jing pang COVID-19.
Every one of us, don't take us only because we are in the government employees, the police department or the health department, as a simple citizens of our country. Simple citizens of our state, is our duty and responsibility to fight against this COVID-19 and protect. That's why we need to give more awareness. We have seen in many places, people are hesitant to take the vaccine. I'm telling you, the shield only who will protect our life is only the vaccine. That's why we have to give more awareness, more publicity. We have Comrade Sidor here from the IPR. They are doing a lot of things to give to disseminate the information to all the people through different form, through the painting, through the arts, through so many creative activities to reach out to the people. How the people to take the vaccine. Today we have taken the review. You cannot believe in Southwest Khasi Hills, till today the entire district only 24 people have vaccinated. How we can save the life of the people, tell me. 24 people, the entire district. I told the DC, she was there in the meeting. I said, we have to organize, make public awareness, call the community leader, the Dorbar Shillong, call the church elders, call the religious leaders. Everybody should take part, should come on board to fight against the COVID-19.
Doctors and nurses and the health workers, the sanitation workers, our boys and girls have always been at the forefront of this fight since it all started, large March. It's a combat which has affected all of us, our families, our children. But what is significant here is, and Meghalaya Police as the head of the police force, I must put one thing on record, at no point in time, not a single person with the Meghalaya Police has ever shirked from work. In fact, they were always at the forefront. We have suffered a lot. I was just telling Honorable Health Minister, we lost 5 or 4 personnel to this pandemic. We have, and today also around 206 of our boys and girls are affected. 5 of them are in hospital. Notwithstanding that, it's been a great fight, and I always tell them, you see, challenges will be there in life. I'm at the fag end of my career. Challenges will always be there, but you can't shirk. You have to be part of the challenge, and that is the only meaning of existence. But here, this group has done something really sublime. It's not associated with policemen. If somebody talks about a policeman, he says he's a singer. The first response will be some kind of a laughter. But here, when I was hearing the song, it's in Hindi. Says, "Aao lele kasam." The English equivalent, come on, let's take this pledge. The word kasam has 2 connotations. Either it is used as a promise or as a pledge. Here is used as a pledge. Is jang ko hum jeet jayenge. We'll win this war. Very positive. Is jahan ko hum bachayenge. We'll save this world. Now the composer, the songwriter has not ended it there. When I was surprised, the great policeman, very sublime. इस जहां को हम जीतेंगे, इस जहां को हम बचाएंगे, and then कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे. We'll uproot corona.
मेरे देश की वासियों, आओ ले कसम. मेरे देश की वासियों, आओ ले कसम. इस जंग को हम जीत जाएंगे, इस जहां को हम बचाएंगे. इस जंग को हम जीत जाएंगे, इस जहां को हम बचाएंगे. कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे, इस जहां को स्वर्ग बनाएंगे.
Kakasi Students Union KSU Maukar Circle, Hapok Jingilam Usamla Robert Carr, Assistant Organizer, but Usamla Newton Finance Secretary, Rengkat ki katu kaniki dekot kaseng na Maukar Circle, but harengkat nikiwe ki unit hinen kasngi kashipotrek jileo ar hajar ar paway. Kalayo ban hiar kenrakan san yaki barjala ki ba shong di madan bian, wat hakum kanika por baka sorkar kadang perking jori ka jingkang dam, Hapok ka East Khasi Hills District, but hakeleng ka jalahi barokaway. Hakade ka jinglit kendra ka sengkalala bakidon kendra ki barjala ki bayo shong di madan bian hakeleng ka sor Shillong nadu yodu shadu kendailat. Kumta ki dukot ka seng hakade ka jinglit kendra ki layo ban shim ki kerteng bat ki jaka sa jong kite ki barjala. Hindi ka bapen sngolengo pat namar ba kumno kite ki barjala ki yo ban shong di jing di madan haba ki jaka shong jaka sa ni ka shnong jong ki kade nadu laban lum padem singi Bishnupur nong mensang pentor baladon ru ki bawan nadu Assam bat Bihar. Shosho ka bakampen bitare ka seng ka long ba ki don rushibun ki ba shuwan shong di kiat sadhai ha yodo man kasngi kat ba nakaliang ki pulit siem ki pulit sot ki shupet kai klem le ai kumta ka seng hadien ka jing yo ujon ki pat ba namar ka jing la ilan palat kitay kumta hi mar klem pen slem shu kalal let pen long ka jing let khenra bat lab ya ka jing shisha baro Hadian baka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills District kala aila laisin chitayo yaki nongdi madan hayo bandi yaki marbam jongki kun ki so ki jhur ukwai bat utempo hinre kini ki nongdi ki dang mad hi ki jing namar bakim la bandi ki mar jongki namar ba 4 syai ki beriu ban wan rung shayo bat nang perking yakayat ke yeng jongki pajba habaya kran baka Don Bosco Media Network katu kat ningut ki nong yo ki le tho bawat la ka DC kala aila bakin de jing de laisin chitayo Henry kia kendu jing ebha namar baki hapkit iki mar jongki da ka kejat na yeng shedo shayo namar ba 4 don kali bat dala poi hayo ru kimla bandi namar dan beri bawan thien shu kila kerpa di sorkar ban pelat ngaya ka jing khangdam kila ong bawat la ki ting yu knyang jing pang COVID-19 Henry kimla ban pe ki kun ki ti jongki kin yap thangan kim ban se ban mi na yeng namar badawa ka khpo
yang inong di pelat benrung sayo yo nong thet ki penyang lan Tujin jari kata anta ada kawai ru ngiru membanse bengiap tangan. Nado nang nasanong iya beda kejat kong ngim tu sam kali sisen ru iya beda kejat bengi tangan dakong. Da tangan te ngia som haying ru biang re ngi basu bela men men. Te bela mesngi ba mestep. Takin ma bela men met ba mestep ba men men. Da bengi miak kejat ngi miak hitam dalada dangin. Ya ba nang fikun ma. Yili unang kersian haying ru bom jula da beli bela besupang. Da ukun ru banyak kali ru kakali umyo nya. Kadang dai mangi kami benya tri hitam benyami te nyalem no. Emalong sem jing kin kong mo sisen ba unang thet muan. Ndan tangin dong de nya dia no. Unang thet penyang lan han jali penyang lan jato. Mangi ne telalong kumbesion pej pranong di. Nya dia kan no. Cang dah sama kudam menyabo rumyo. Dan si una umar saya yang kemudian kesau bang. Dawan nayeng ru hapkit itu umar bunan de saya. Sukendo jeng baik kat sebab faikin bawa balong kumne. Dan mengimban saya pakin tong benyaisya. Hak lockdown namar ngin belak meju belang ngin alik kum beju lain. Dia dua itang ublai bunda unkel ni kata kabaro ke Jepang ke Jepang. Ingin cak hidu benuan rung tau Jepang kana Meghalaya jeng ni. Kami pun kerja pasal kasih sebab menai ini. Boleh start perkir yang ini kita kayak barang. Ada ngimtul ngini apa kayak gitu. Kata ikan.
Hakash potrik mentau benai jeliau arhajar arpawai menteri jongkat tenat kekuat kekia ba AL Hek ringkat baru MLA ka Mausan Ram constituency uba H Shangpliang kilalik jurip ka PHC hadangar hadien ka jingmi Khubor ba duna ki doktor ha gane ka PHC bad hakani ka juk sngi ulalik jungo ba ai mensi mia gitu ki biru ki bangat nauk nyang jingpang COVID-19
ti gertu mentalung ala paksa yang meliwat igi doktor berwat igi kita semar jadi ke jengjiat hi jong paiba ti beli paiba Don ting pi dah Shillong ru buan bahagia hospital. Lig yang kualit ngira tengah kuabit apa udlan. Beli film ni grim ada ke hospital yang ngira im kualit yang kata jaka. Tekadar nak jong jing case jengki. Jengjiat jengki. Yang kata hi ke jengjiat yang doktor ke jengjiat ke jaka semar. Ting ke jeng sem jengki paiba kanu ke jaka semar ke babiang kuno doktor berbahah. Yang benar ai dikut jengkia. Yang tak ada gemdai bupen bor mangi. Tadi ke jengjiat hi simet.
Badak itu ki Khubor ngila poy sebekut tak ada banginde syam biang khublai shibon.